The next connector I want to show is an MPO-24 UPC. Now, since I just changed the part, I'm going to need to come up here to my fixture login, and I'm going to change the fiber count to 24. So here is where you can select what the connector is. So it's MPO-24, and I have my IEC test configuration tables over here. So this is, I'm using table 6, it's for UPC. So I'm just going to click OK. So we do have some other features with our test configurations. You can go in and you can customize. The tables. We also give you the ability to do multi-row test configuration in case you need to apply different standards to different rows. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And I'm going to show you the full ferrule view for 24 fiber. Okay. Here is the 24 fiber full ferrule view. Okay, this is live. Okay. It is a little dark, so I want to come up here to my exposure panel. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click Start. Okay. So it looks like the cladding is a little dark. The core is in the green area, so I'm going to try bringing up the cladding a little bit while keeping the core. While keeping the core in the green. This is a really easy tool to use. So I'm going to back this off a little bit. Okay, I think that's a little bit better. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and do a process. And since I just changed the connector, I'm just going to put 24 in here. You don't have to have that pop-up window. We can also facilitate a barcode scanner. Okay. The inspection cycle is over. It just created its report. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to jump into one of these fibers. Okay. So it inspected 24 fibers in 19.3 seconds. Again, I can take the overlay off. Now I want to show you some sample reports. So I'm going to go to my reports tab. Okay. Here's a sample report. This is customizable by the customer. You can put your own logos on here. We give you some different fields that you can populate: lot, part, serial number. The serial number in the model of the FastMT will be here. All right, these are high resolution images. Now, if you need to show your customers more details than just the picture of the fibers, we save all of the data for you in this FastMT image. So this is actually the report we just did. with the MPO-24. But these are the processed images with the overlay on. If you need to see raw images, if you just want to see with the particles, if you want to see a leveled image, sometimes that leveled image can give you a better perspective of the fiber. All of the metrology for every fiber that we inspect is all saved here in a spreadsheet. So that can then be saved to a network device, and your IT can then take that and formulate that into other more robust reporting for your customers if you need. So we give you all the information you really could possibly want. So that was a MPO-24 fiber connector.